I guess I should probably take those off. Well, it's because they're a jalapeno pepper. It's not a serrano pepper. They growing a little bit bigger than that. But they would just look so pretty. They look delicious. They would make some badass salsa. And then there's these two. That's the banana peppers, though. Chili peppers. They got a lot growing in. I got a lot. I'm gonna have a lot of those. Yay. Can't wait. And these ones growing out too, though. This one. There's more, the little flowers that are budding. All of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. We're gonna have some more tomatoes right here. These are kind of bigger. And then I have limes. I have a couple of limes growing in right there, right here. They got this one. It's 4 right there. They have some more right here. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing 1 or 2, but they have a lot. It's 5 that I see so far. Can't wait though. And these ones, these are cute. These are like little cherry tomatoes. So I gotta just wait till they turn red. And there's like 1, 2, 3 vines that are growing. This is the Roma tomatoes. Though. I'm excited, y'all. Can y'all tell?